So, good day to everyone and welcome to our webinar, A Glimpse into Medical Education. I'm happy to see you in this session. My name is Ayjan. I am a manager of Department of Enrollment Management, and it is my pleasure to moderate this session for you. Our session will last for an hour and finish at 4 p.m. Best Standard Time. This session will attended by my colleagues from the School of Medicine, Senior Manager of School of Medicine Borjan Seyitbayev and Manager Anwar Arapbayev. Um, you can put your question in English, Kazakh, or Russian. In order to put your question, please select the raised hand function or use Q&A section. Please also be informed that we launch the open.nu.edu.kz platform, where you can find more than 50 videos from all our staff, faculty, students, and alumni on various interesting topics. So please feel free to view this video whenever you have time, since they have valuable information for potential applicants. Besides, in the same platform, you can find a link to an online shop where you can find any branded products like a t-shirt, caps, mugs, with a new logos. So let me introduce the senior manager of School of Medicine, Boltran Seyitbayev, will be presented on undergraduate, Doctor of Medicine, and residency programs. So Boltran, please, the floor is yours.
Mhm. Thank you very much, Ayjan. Um, Let me share my screen. Excuse me. Uh, can you see my screen?
Unfortunately, no.
I'm sorry. Excuse me. Okay. Present now. Yeah. Okay. Um, so, dear participants, I hope now you can see my screen, the presentation, right? So, my name is Borjan Sidbayev, and I'm a senior manager of the School of Medicine, academic manager. So, and I'm happy to present our school programs. So, my colleague Anwar Arakbayev will join me presenting graduate programs of our school. So, basically, master's and PhD programs. So, I will start with a brief introduction of our school. I will start with a brief introduction of our school. So let me. Alice, can you see
Yes.
slides changing?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So just brief information about our school. So as you can see from the slide, our school was established in 2015 in partnership of Pittsburgh University, Pittsburgh University School of Medicine. And it was established to serve as the academic hub of the Kazakhstan's first integrated academic health system. And its primary goal is to develop a model for healthcare services in Kazakhstan by integrating research, innovation, education, and patient care. So let me just share brief information about ranking of our university. So as of 2024, the university is ranked in top 29% of international research in universities, according to Times Higher Education. Our university is ranked 106 in the Times Higher Education Young University Rankings 2025, and it's the #1 university in Kazakhstan and in Central Asia. So it's also the top 11 of all Asian universities according to Times Higher Education. So about accreditation, our medical program is accredited. In 2024 April, we were accredited by the Eurasian Center for Accreditation and Quality Assurance in Higher Education Healthcare, so which is recognized, and this accreditation is recognized by the World Federation for Medical Education. So just to mention about our Master of Public Health program. So this program's curriculum was validated for 6 years by the European Agency for Public Health Education accreditation. So as I already mentioned, so our school was established in cooperation with the University of Pittsburgh School of Medicine, and this institution is our strategic partner. So we have in our school we have both international and local faculty members. So all of them have international an international background, and they are experts in their relative fields. So basically, our school consists of 3 departments: Department of Biomedical Sciences, Department of Medicine, and Department of Surgery. So at the moment, our school offers a number of programs at different levels. So bachelor programs, master programs, PhD programs, a Doctor of Medicine program, residency programs, and fellowship. Yeah, we'll stop at this point at these programs a bit later in our presentation. So we have 2 bachelor programs. We're from fall semester 2025. We are launching our 6-year undergraduate medical program. So we have a bachelor in nursing program, but this program is designed for Kazakh and Russian speaking practicing nurses. So we have 4 master programs: Master of Molecular Medicine, Public Health, Pharmacology and Toxicology, and Sports Medicine and Rehabilitation. So this part will be later covered by my colleague Anwar. We have 2 PhD programs: PhD in Biomedical Sciences, as well as PhD in Global Health. So as I mentioned earlier, so we have Doctor of Medicine and fellowship programs and residency programs. So you can see that we have a number of programs that we'll get more information a bit later. So what makes us different from other universities in Kazakhstan and probably some other universities in neighboring countries in the region? So we are the school, and the university in general is research oriented. So research oriented, or research is basically you will be involved in research along with your studies. So to support your education, we have cutting-edge research facilities, collaborative research environment, and research funding opportunities. Just to mention some of them, let me start with the research facilities we have at the School of Medicine. We have human anatomy laboratory, digital anatomy laboratory, biomedical research laboratories, teaching laboratories. So all these facilities are state-of-the-art facilities equipped with all the up-to-date equipment and all the required materials for your research. So we have a unique simulation center. This is probably the only simulation center in CIS countries in the region. So the role of this simulation center is basically our students, before they go in real life practice, before going to clinics and working with patients, so they they master their skills in our simulation centers. They improve their skills through the use of mannequins, simulators, special equipment, under the supervision of specially trained personnel. So, and of course, we have School of Medicine library, which is accessible to our students. It has quite a wide range of study materials. So this is the QR code you can scan. Basically, this is a unique opportunity to go into the School of Medicine building and to have a tour. So please scan this QR code and discover our facilities in in a virtual reality. So now I'm going to the point of our presentation. So I would like to present a 6-year undergraduate medical program and a 4-year Doctor of Medicine program. Just to mention, MD program is a graduate level program. So again, these programs were developed with the partnership of, in the partnership with Pittsburgh School of Medicine. So you can see in two tables, you can see the curriculums of these two programs. So to the on the left side of the screen, it's a 6-year undergraduate program. So first years, basically, they are pre-medical years, and starting from the year 3 until year 6, these are the MD curriculum, basically. So, and to the right side, you can see the curriculum of the MD graduate level program. So in more details, yeah. So first and second year are pre-medicine years. So these are the courses you will be taking during your first years of study. So and during the year 3, 4, 5, and 6. So as I mentioned above, you will take Doctor of Medicine curriculum. So which is first year is basic science, year 2 is organ system block, and year 3 and 4 are clinical years. So you will be on year 3 and 4, you will be exposed to clinical activities. You will be working with patients, take different rotations, clerkships, internships. So basically, you can feel the sense of the medical profession, being a doctor. So yeah, again, so this is the more detailed curriculum overview of the MD program. So year 1 consists of basic science block, patient care, patient physician society block, scientific reasoning block, patient care block 1, and longitudinal scholarly project. So year 2 consists of organ system pathophysiology block. So patient physician society, scientific reasoning, patient care block 2, and longitudinal scholarly project. So year 3, as I mentioned, so it's a clinical year. So you will start your studies with a pre-clerkship course, and then go on with clinical clerkships in OBGYN, pediatrics, internal medicine. And in the spring semester, you will have clerkships in surgery, anesthesiology, infectious diseases, and psychiatry. Yeah, so during year 3, you will be taking OSCE. So with the involvement of SPs and the mannequin based. So year 4, it's also a clinical year, which will be, so you will also additionally take integrated life sciences course, and at the end of the program, at the end of the academic year, so you will take IFOM clinical sciences exam. Now I would like to, I would like residency part after the graduate programs. Now I would like to pass the word to my colleague Anwar, who will be speaking about master's and PhD programs of our school. Anwar, please.
Thank you for comprehensive and useful information, Borjan. Yeah, we trust the participants will find it available. So yes, let me introduce the next speaker, Anwar Arpayev, who will presenting on graduate programs. Yes, Anwar, please, the scene is yours.
Uh, Ajahn, can you hear us? Can you hear Anar?
No,
No?
unfortunately,
Okay,
only
okay. Anar. Yes. No, Anar, we cannot hear you. So we have a technical issue, so just a second, please.
So, can you hear me well?
yeah.
Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone, once again. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anwar. I'm manager of the academic unit of the School of Medicine. We're going to start with the Master of Public Health program. Master of Public Health program provides graduates with skill set and competencies based on the latest international standards that are required for careers in health administration and management, health education and health promotion, epidemiological health and disease research, health behavioral research, biostatistics, health systems and facilities research, and health policy development. The competencies acquired from this program are sought by a broad variety of employers, both in public and private sectors, nationally and internationally. There are many programs, there are many courses delivered during the Master of Public Health program, such as epidemiology, health policy, behavioral sciences in public health, biostatistics, health economics, health promotion and education, environmental health, health management, qualitative research, global nutrition and thesis. So the program aims of the Master of Public Health program engage students through transformational education and training in internationally accepted best practice in population-based approaches to address health conditions and disease determinants for the prevention and control disease, disability, and ultimately death. Also, there are many opportunities for graduates of the Master of Public Health program, such as World Health Organization, UNICEF, Ministry of Health, different universities around the world, hospitals, USAID, health systems, school educators, Republican Center for Public Health, non-governmental organizations, corporations, and you can also start your own business. So MPH, Master of Public Health alumni graduate degrees, they can continue their studies and during the PhD set in different countries of the world. So you can continue studying different spheres such as data analysis, biostatistics, reproductive health, epidemiology, health economics, behavioral sciences, epidemiology and other different spheres. So our next second program of the Master in Sport Medicine and Rehabilitation, the program director of the Sport Medicine and Rehabilitation program is Dr. Said Ali. So there are the focus of the Master in Sports Medicine and Rehabilitation is to deliver a curriculum that is compliant with international standards and trains health professionals in evidence-based practice. The program will therefore produce graduates who will be able to deliver services in diverse areas of sports medicine and rehabilitation with international standards of care. The structure of the Master in Sports Medicine and Rehabilitation program is set out to begin with the basics of human body functions, including metabolism and nutrition, as it related to exercise and fitness. The program imparts knowledge about the mechanics of the human body during exercise and injury. Students will be stimulated to think about the application of this knowledge towards improving athletic performance and rehabilitating in an injury. Also, there are many opportunities for students who graduates for this program. There are many opportunities such as government sector, such as Ministry of Health, Ministry of Sports and Culture, Ministry of Education and Sciences, Ministry of Information and Social Development. Also, education institutions such as primary, secondary, vocational, and higher education institutions. Also, private sectors, private sports, fitness, and gymnastics companies. Non-for-profit sector, community-based rehabilitation, health promotion, and organizations. Also, professional associations, sports federations, strength and conditioning coaches for professional sports. Also, graduates of the sports medicine in rehabilitation program can apply also for PhD degree. So in our school, we have cutting-edge teaching and research facilities related to the Master in Sports Medicine and Rehabilitation, such as anatomy laboratories, metabolism, rehabilitation, athletic performance, biomechanics, robotics, and robots in rehabilitation. Our third program is Master in Molecular Medicine. The program director of this program is Professor Nikolai Barlev. The purpose of this program is to give a strong foundation in molecular aspects of modern biomedicine. The Master in Molecular Medicine program is a 2-year program which covers different disciplines from genetics and molecular immunology to nutrition and infectious diseases. The curriculum comprises 15 required courses, 3 elective, and a master research project. There are 120 required credit points for the completion of the program, divided over 4 semesters of 30 credits each. A Master in Molecular Medicine students will have an opportunity to do their wet research projects in the lab using cutting-edge methods of modern biomedicine, including genome editing, CRT immunotherapy, and many others. Some of them will also be able to publish their own papers in scientific journals during the preparation of their theses. Success of the Master in Molecular Medicine program students also relies on strong mentoring system. Each student will have a personal mentor from professor of School of Medicine. In addition, they will have informal mentors from the second year of MMM students who can help them with orientation. The graduates of this program are very successful on the job markets. The prospective graduates will have an opportunity to work in education. They can continue their education in various spheres, such as, and also in PhD programs, research, work as specialists at research institutes and universities. And also they can work in biotech and pharmaceutical companies and other health service spheres, such as be employed by medical organizations. So the graduates of this program are very successful of the job market, as I mentioned before. So 30 and 40% enter PhD programs abroad. Also, graduates of the MM program historically are very successful entering PhD programs at various universities in different countries of the world. So 50 and 60% are employed in researchers, including Nazarbayev University, NLA, NCB, and other research centers, biotech companies, Roche, Enospin, and others, and 10% are employed elsewhere. Our last program of the master program is Master of Pharmacology Toxicology. The program director of the Master of Pharmacology Toxicology program is Professor Mohamed Al-Jafan. So the Master of Pharmacology Toxicology enables students to gain broad exposure to important and medical-related aspects of therapeutic research. The course aims to provide students with the theoretical and practical principles of pharmacology and toxicology and nature and actions of commonly used therapeutics. The program will introduce students to a wide range of basic pharmacology and toxicology research, as well as the application of principles of pharmacology in clinical research to connect the gap between basic and clinical pharmacology. Furthermore, students will be trained on different aspects of toxicology in the preclinical stage, such as improved drug discovery and development, and the clinical stage, including monitoring and identifying drug interactions and pharmacovigilance. Also, in this slide, you can see the courses which are delivered during the MP-Tox studying, such as organ systems and common diseases, cellular communication, Principles of Pharmacology, Toxicology, Systemic Pharmacology 1, Drug Discovery and Development, Biostatistics and Critical Appraisal, Scientific Writing, Introduction to Research Project, Molecular Toxicology. In the second year, there are many courses as well as Systemic Pharmacology 2, Applied Toxicology, Research Methods in Pharmacology, Drug Discovery and Development 2 electives, and the Research Project and Thesis. So there are many opportunities for the graduates of this program, such as clinical trials associate, research scientist, patent attorney, regulatory affairs officer, medical sales and representative, and also scientific writer. The many workplaces such as pharmaceutical industry, governmental sector, universities and research institutions, law and regulatory bodies, and World Health Organization as well, and professional recognition, British Pharmacological Society, American Society of Pharmacology and Experimental Therapeutics, and also Australian Society of Clinical and Experimental Pharmacologists and Toxicologists. So graduate success of the Master Pharmacology Toxicology program, 100% of our graduates are employed, 20% stayed in academia, teaching at different universities, 20% entered PhD programs worldwide, such as University of Mississippi, University of Padua, 40% work in research, 10% work in industry, and 10% work in hospital settings. So please be informed that all our master programs 2 years, full-time intensive programs. So our next program is, I'm going to present our 2 PhD programs. The first program is PhD in Biomedical Sciences. The program director of the PhD in Biomedical Sciences, Professor Everett Maher. The PhD in Biomedical Sciences is a 4-year full-time lab-based program according to international standards, and is open to master students to different life sciences such as biology, molecular medicine, and biomedical sciences. Also, this program has laboratory facilities as well as close link to the clinics in Astana. This program aims to bridge the gap between basic science and medicine. So this course is, as I mentioned before, 4-year full-time research-based program. State of the art of laboratory facilities, university medical center, hospitals, and clinics will be available during the studying of the PhD in biomedical sciences. Also, during the studying of the PhD in biomedical science program, there are full semester courses such as lab plus different courses, and summer semester, and also lab-based courses. Lab-based work will start from day 1, thesis research, and different courses such as during year 1 you can apply for different courses such as molecular basis of health and disease, biosafety, animal welfare and ethics, biomedical data analysis and experimental design, and the other electives. During the year 2, you can also apply for publication analysis, writing in biomedical sciences, advanced biomedical data analysis and experimental design, and also others, a new School of Medicine seminar. What about the possible career destinations of the PhD in biomedical sciences graduates? So universities and research institutes around the world, pharmaceutical and biomedical industry, translational centers, diagnostic laboratories, governmental sector, scientific journals, and the World Health Organization. So successful applications, most important files for applications, they are project proposal, CVs, and 2 reference letters, and also more detailed information regarding their requirements and documents can be found on our website. So we will email you our email, okay? So our second PhD program is PhD in Global Health. The program director of the PhD in Global Health program, Professor Antonia Saria Santamera. The PhD in Global Health program, also with a 4-year full-time, aims to train to the next generation of global health researchers and prepare them to provide leadership in the field to improve health and achieve equity in health in Kazakhstan, Central Asia, and worldwide. So the global health nowadays has become a critical both in Kazakhstan and Central Asia and internationally. Global health graduates study health problems and transcend national borders, have global political and economic impact, investigating effective alternatives for worldwide health improvements and reduction of disparities. Global health graduates analyze data and provide scientific evidence to help control infectious diseases, such as obesity-related health problems as diabetes, mother and child conditions, mental health problems as well. So the training of the new generation of global health leaders, university and scientific institutions, biomedical industry, public health and healthcare organizations, and the international organizations of NGO sectors. So this program aims to bridge the gap between the production of the knowledge and its application in global health practice and policy. Also, Global Health Program employs several perspectives that focus on determinants and distribution of health in international contexts. This area of study, research, and practice that plays in priority of improving health for all people worldwide. And also the program is a health of populations in the global context. So PhD in Global Health curriculum, there are many courses: Foundations of Global Health, Health Policy and Systems in Global Health into Action, Implementation in Global Health, and Methods in Global Health and Research. During the second year, Advanced Methods in Global Health Research, Critical Appraisal of Scientific Literature, and Writing for Biomedical Sciences. Also, there are many courses during the third year: Seminar on Global Health, Thesis Research, Comprehensive Examination, and Proposal of Thesis. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Anwar. Thank you for your detailed presentation. And we'll be glad if the participants have any questions. Please feel free. You can put dear participants, you can put your question in any language: Kazakh, Russian, English. In order to put your question, please select the raise hand function, or in the Q&A section, you can write your question. We will try to answer for all of your questions in a oral form. Dear participants, do you have any questions? Wolfram, do you want to add some information?
Yes, we have residency program to present, but if participants have any questions regarding the undergraduate and the graduate programs, so we are ready to answer these questions. Just let me make one comment here. 6-year undergraduate medical program and 4-year graduate medical program. So basically, if you are a high school graduate and you are just thinking about your bachelor program, so this program, and you want to become a physician, dedicate yourself to medicine, so this program is for you. So MD program is for the applicants who already have a bachelor degree. So in I don't know, so it's in biological sciences, chemistry, medical sciences, and also other spheres. So this is a graduate entry program. So basically, an applicant should have at least, bachelor program or a master degree. So this is the comment I wanted to make. And
Thank you.
if there are no questions at this point, let me continue with the final program, so which is a residency program and fellowship. So here you can see the programs available at this moment and in our school. So we have a wide range of programs, including general surgery, obstetrics and gynecology, pediatrics, internal medicine, family medicine, anatomic pathology, anesthesiology and critical care, orthopedics and traumatology, radiology, urology, psychiatry, ophthalmology. So the duration of this of the program is it depends on the program you choose. So duration is from 3 to 5 years. So basically, surgical specialties are 5 years. So let's move on. What do residents do in our program? So they do clinical activities. Yeah, they do their studies basically in the clinical settings. So they also have an opportunity to do some teaching work. So they will be involved as a junior. I mean, they will be involved in teaching the junior residents and students in all programs. And of course, the integral part is the research activity. So this is just the overall table of our residency programs and fellowship programs available at the moment. So we have 12 programs that I just mentioned, and we have 6 more programs that are planning to be launched in the upcoming years. So medical oncology, hematology, endocrinology, gastro, pediatric surgery, and neurology. So, and the fellowship programs. So what is fellowship program? Fellowship is the a certificate program which you can take after you finish residency. So imagine that you graduate from you complete the residency program in internal medicine, and then you would like to go deeper in your profession and become a cardiologist. So you can apply. In this case, you can apply for our fellowship program. So these fellowship programs are implemented in cooperation with our partner hospitals. Just to mention, our clinical side, the clinical side, the primary clinical side for our medical programs, including residency program, fellowship programs, are UMC clinics and other partner hospitals. So this is the last slide I would like to present. Here are our contacts. We are available. We are present in all major social media platforms. Please follow us to stay updated about all the news happening in our school, to find out some more detailed information about our activities, events, open house days, and information sessions like today's. So please follow us and stay tuned. So all our contacts are active, and we are always happy to answer questions. And if you need face-to-face in-person consultations, so you may always email us, and we'll arrange a special meeting for you in our building. So Ayjan, we are done on our part.
Thank you, Borjan, for your detailed, useful information. And yeah, we really hope that participants find it valuable for themselves. Yeah, dear participants, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in any language, Kazakh, Russian, English.
Құрметті қатысушылар, сұрақтарыңыз болса, кез келген тілде қоя беріңіз. Ағылшын, қазақ, орыс.
Жақсы. Сұрақтар жоқ секілді. So, yes, thank you for joining this event. We hope you received helpful information and answer to your questions. Yeah, if you have time, please go by this link and follow feedback forms. We need your survey feedbacks, and it will no longer than 1 minute. So Dear colleagues, thank you for your time, and we hope our participants and our candidates will find our workshop useful for themselves. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.